We're going to be installing a FITCAMX camera in a Kia EV9. First thing we're going to do is just slide the mirror down so it's out of the way. This little plastic piece we're going to remove just by grabbing the top of it. It'll pop right out. Then this surround, we're going to pop 2 clips at the bottom with the included trim tool. Then the surround will slide straight down towards the dash. Then we're going to get power from this rain sensor right here. So we're just going to wiggle that out. Take the power plug that came with the camera, plug it in to one side, then plug the other side into the rain sensor that you just unplugged. Then we'll take the camera surround and plug in the power. This will only fit one way, so you want to make sure that you line up the arrows. Push it together. Then to reinstall the surround, you'll do it the opposite way that you did to take it off. So slide it up so that the top clips engage, and then push on the bottom to get the bottom clips engaged. Then take the plastic piece, snap it back into place, put your mirror back where you like it, and you're done.